Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to write A to Z in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. Unfortunately, it's not possible to write a sequence of letters from A to Z automatically using autofill in Excel. To solve this problem, you need to use a formula or do it manually. But I suggest creating your own autofill list with the letters of the alphabet, which can be used in all Excel documents. So in column B, I wrote all the letters of the alphabet. They will still be useful to us. Now we click File, Options, Advanced, and now scroll down to the General section. Here we click the Edit Custom Lists button and a window opens with all the autofill lists. As you can see, these are lists of months and days of the week. And now we'll add the alphabet as well. Select New List, and in this window we can enter each letter separated by a comma manually or use a pre-prepared list of all letters of the alphabet. Click on this button and select all the cells with letters. And when all the cells are selected, go back to the lists and click Import to import a new list to the pre-installed ones. As you can see, we have successfully imported all the letters of the alphabet. Now let's check how the new autofill list works. Click OK and OK again. We type a new letter, the letter case, as you understand, is no longer important, and drag the cell fill marker in any direction. And as you can see, now we can easily type a letter sequence, and we can start with any letter. And that's it. Now you're not on more.